Hello guys, Devas here and I'm back with the rerun of the best waifu in the game, Corcel. Now, before I review her units, I want to tell you about the event that is going on in the game. That event is called Ring of Hearts here. In the event, you can copy this code here if you are a newcomer and you will get the reward specifically for the newcomer, and if you are an old player you can copy it in here and share it to wherever you like. And if you get the newcomer or the newcomer get a mentor here, you will get the rewards in here. And as for me, I'm counted as the old player because I have 60 level 60 account. And for the other event, there is called Theme of Gratitude, which is an attendance event. Now there is no other things that we will talk about the event. Now without further ado, let's jump into the review of Corcel. Now Corcel Frost Demon is classified as a tank unit. However, her kit is far more better than the average tank or the current tank that is in the other banner, Nikitama, because she also can be used as a support unit that I will talk about later. And as for her characteristic is she can recover blockage, join protection, provide shield or damage absorption effect to teammates. Firewall can disperse or immunize various debuff effects. Shield has high shield capabilities and high durability. Her attribute is magnetism, and for her kit is here the ultimate skill. She taunt her enemy with the highest firepower and gains an absorbent shield with the shield strength equal to 50% of own max durability or of her own durability, lasting for 12 seconds, and when the shield expires or is broken, deals radiation damage to all enemies equal to 8% of the absorbed damage, lasting for 6 seconds. The basic effect accuracy is 150%. This is actually pretty good, very basic. In fact, for the tank, she can grant a shield for herself as her ultimate per se, and this absorbent shield is actually pretty good because she is immunized to control when she's on her shield, and she also deals radiation damage when the shield is off. Now for the intrinsic skill, this is why I talk about she's also a support unit as well, because in her skill grants the first two allies an absorbent shield with the shield strength equal to 25% of her own max durability, lasting for 20 seconds, and make them immune to control skill for 10 seconds. Now, apart from herself, her other teammates is also can be granted skill by her intrinsic skill. This is pretty good and solid support skills, and it can be upgraded by her passive. One of her passive is increase own max durability by 10% when durability first drop below 20%, increase own physical compute rest by 100% for 6% seconds, not there, probably here, increase the shield strength, oh no, here. The intrinsic skills also affect the last two allies. When the ultimate skill shield is active, the first two enemies take compute damage equal to 5% of their current durability per second, up to 10% of Frost Demon max durability, and are infected with 60% laceration effect. What does that mean is that if you reach Corcel at UR, all of your teammates will granted a shield from her intrinsic skill, and the intrinsic skill also have the ability of regression here. Targets under this effect will have their received healing effect reduced by certain ratio, which is pretty good. And this is why, apart from classified as a tank, she also pretty good as a support unit, because she can grant your entire team a pretty good shield, especially if you build her in a max durability chip and other stuff, as I will talk about later. And for her other crystal here, increase the shield strength generated by her own skills by 40% and increase the shield strength generated by allies skills by 10%. This will upgrade her shield effect. Now for the build, let's jump to the build. Now, as I mentioned before, her skill is dependent on her durability, so the more durability you have on her, the more shield you will get from her as well, from her skill. And as for her sing rate here, I use in strength, stamina, luck, and willpower to get 400% sing rate. And for the intimacy is level 50, you will get 25%. So if you combine it together, it will have an account of 500%, like you see in here. Now, talking about durability, in the equipment side, as I mentioned before, durability is affecting her skills, intrinsic skill and ultimate skills, and because of that, I use her exclusive weapon and mirror shield to get more durability on her. As for her exclusive weapon, it will grant her initial end plus 100, increases her own max durability by 31%, and it increases duration of ultimate skill by 2.5 seconds. And if you refine it to another height, it will increase her own max durability by 34% and increase duration of ultimate skill by 3 seconds. And this is if you want to upgrade it to plus 3, it will actually extend her durability and her ultimate skill duration for another seconds. Now, I won't recommend to chase her exclusive weapon to plus 5 because it is quite expensive to get there, and it also not that worth it. Plus 2 and 3 is actually enough in PvP because it will grant you enough, and you and your teammate enough protection and shield so that you won't be destroyed in one hit by Draconex or now Radiant Arbiter or other like Florian. And for the chip, I use mirror chip here, mirror shield. If you have 2-piece set, it increases max durability by 10% during the battle, and if you have all of the mirror shield in the slot, it reduces single target damage received by 37% when durability is below 50%, which that means that if Corcel is at her lowest health below 50%, it will increase her single target damage received by 37%. It will reduce it, so that means that unit like Draconex or Radiant Arbiter will countered by this chip because they both have single target attack. However, this chip also get countered by AoE type attack unit such as Chisa, Flareon, or Jinwoo. However, because of her max durability, I fully recommended this chip. And for the cheap second ability or sub ability, I choose fixed damage rest, compute rest, durability, deflection, and armor, compute rest, and physical rest. Most of it is resistant for damage rest or compute rest or physical rest, because most of the time you encounter assault unit with those 3 damage basically, so it will best to focus on 3 of them. And because the chip itself grants you durability, so you don't need to get the sub for durability as well. Now for the rank up, it is best to rank her up to UR, since in the UR, after you reach UR with Corcel, the intrinsic skill will be upgraded into all of the teammates, not just the first 2 teammates in the slot, but all, which means that if you reach the UR, everyone will get the shield. Now, if you want to max her, the first one I recommend is Arbor Lip, because it will upgrade her ultimate skill, or Firepower Lip, because it will upgrade her intrinsic skill, so you will get more shield or more taunt as for these 2. Now for the Void Crystal, I use Dead Void Crystal in here. It grants an effect when a unit in battlefield is destroyed, increase cooldown speed of intrinsic skill by 10%, which means that after your assault unit destroy your opponent, after your assault unit destroy an opponent unit, it actually increase cooldown speed for intrinsic skill by 10%, and you want to use her intrinsic skill more because it will grant your teammate more shield. More shield means your teammate will have protection more and more, and thus this Void Crystal is actually quite effective on her. Now let's jump into the field and see how she managed in the battlefield. Now we are at the planet SimWorld because I already used all of my tickets in the arena ladder. Again, because of that, I use planet SimWorld to actually simulate how Corcel is doing in the battlefield and to see if she's any good in that. As for the team, Corcel is in the first slot of UFC because she's a tank and she needs to be attacked first. And for the second slot, I use Alouette here for the special unit. Alouette is actually pretty good because it will decrease enemy armor with her passive. And for the third is White Angel, Louis here. Louis can grant more shield whenever any unit at her lowest durability. So for example, if Corcel in the battlefield is already wore up to below 50% of her health, White Angel, Louis here will grant her shield so that she will have more durability or more protection, so she won't be destroyed in one shot. And as for the assault unit, you can either have Radiant Arbiter or Star-Lord here. But as of now, I use Radiant Arbiter to show you guys also how Ardella Bitter is on the field, how she was on the field and how good she is. Because in the last review I have with Raden Arbiter, I actually didn't manage to pull her in a time, so I use her now to show you guys how good she is in the battlefield. Now that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See ya.